Hi, Vanessa Shaw here, your business growth mentor with the answers to your questions regarding your small business. And I'm going to share with you a rather awkward tip today that's often not talked about. We're often talking about growing business and attracting more clients, right? That's often what we're in business for. We want more clients. But what about the notion of firing clients? When clients have really become difficult, when perhaps they've got unreasonable expectations, they're becoming entitled. Anything you do is never going to be good enough. You know, my videographer and I were just chatting about this in the break between videos here, and she said, you know what, we need to talk about firing clients because the truth is it's a really awkward place to go. She shared with me she's only ever had to do it once, thankfully, and then she said it was so liberating on the other side. And that is the reality, because it is really liberating and freeing, because as we step into our power and say this is no longer something I'm willing to tolerate, on the other side of it, you're going to free up so much more energy for the types of clients you really do want to work with. And this is something I teach our own clients when they're struggling with this, and they say, oh my gosh, I feel like I need the money. I feel like, you know, they're going to think I'm mean. I'm concerned about my reputation. All of these concerns that come up when we need to terminate a client. And one of the truths that I always stand in at that moment is to say, we need to, you know, release something of a lower nature, something that's not serving us, so that we can attract something of a higher nature or something that's going to serve us at a higher level. And the same goes for clients as well. So it is something for you to look at. You know, look at your clients right now, those ones that are really demanding, that are draining energy, that are costing you probably a lot of money, a lot of emotional stress. Possibly they're being disrespectful to your team as well. That's something I simply won't tolerate in my business. And ask yourself, is it time to actually fire some clients so that you can actually hire some new, better ones? So if you like this video tip today, please like, comment and share, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.